So Chiltern Open Air Museum is a place where we communicate the history of the Chilterns through rescued buildings, and they have been restored and lovingly rebuilt here to help us communicate the history of the people who lived here. And it's a place where today we can discover their crafts and their passions and their interests and make sure that this is an area that is still alive and thriving with both traditional and modern crafts from now until the future. Over the 40 years we've been open, we've developed from a cash tin to some very basic tins, and then finally realised that we needed to go for an EPOS system. Tried system, it was not particularly reliable. It crashed regularly, the support that we were getting was really not sufficient for our needs. Here at Chiltern Open Air Museum, we need a really reliable system that enables us to deliver excellent customer service to our visitors, as well as really consistent and high quality reporting at the back end. So when we found your solutions, it was fantastic, and over the year that we've been using it, it's been really reliable. The support has always been there. We have been able to really rely on the data that we're getting. It's also been a lot easier for both our front users and our own staff to use. So we have that excellent flow of leading from people coming into the front door, buying their ticket, to our finance team being able to pull up the data that we have. We've been so pleased with the aftercare and the post-sales relationship that we've had with Cameron. Anytime we've had a problem, and particularly actually something that we want to develop and something new for our system, the response has been just fantastic, and we really do feel like we are working in partnership with a company that we're not alone, that understands our goals and understands our growth plans to help us to deliver a really excellent system. It's a really productive and really supportive working relationship, and we're thrilled with it. One of the great bonuses, and for us one of the really key things with choosing to go with Cameron, was the integration with digital tickets. The membership system is so smooth, it's so easy, it makes life so much quicker, and being able to upload your tickets virtually in real time, to check your reporting, to have everything so synchronized. And we're rolling out this year for the first time being able to offer online pre-booked tickets to all of our events to our visitors. Is changing the way we plan for the future and the way we understand our operations day to day. It's just been revolutionary, it's fantastic.